we are going to understand how to multiply two matrices with the help of algorithm, or how to write the algorithm to multiply two matrices in any language, that is Java, C, or any language. We are not going here about language specific, and we are just understanding the algorithm, that how to write the program, how to write the algorithm to multiply two matrices to get a third new matrix as the product of two matrices. So we have here two matrices. The first one is A matrix, and the second one is B matrix, and on multiplying them we are getting the third matrix, that is C matrix. We have the elements of A matrix as A11, A12, A21, A22, and the elements of B matrix as B11, 12, 12, 122, and the elements of C matrix are C12, C11, 12, 21, 22. And I know you guys have studied very well in class 11th and 12th, and you know very well how to multiply two matrices to get the third new product matrix. But let me revise you, so that no part is no point is miss, no point miss, so that in this lecture, in order to understand this perfectly, so let us see what we need to get each element of this matrix C. Suppose we need to get first element of the matrix C. So for getting first element, that is C11, I am repeating, to get the first element C11, we need to multiply the first row and the first row of first matrix and the second row of the second matrix. Sorry, I'm repeating again. We need to multiply the first row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix. On multiplying to get C12, we need to multiply first row of first matrix and second column of the second matrix, that is first row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. In order to get C21, we need to multiply the second row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix, because we need to get C21. Okay. Now let me write all the mathematical expression to get C12, C112, 2122, so that I can make the general equations and then tell you how to write algorithm. That will make it easier to understand it. So we have written the equations to get C11, C12, C21 and C22. That's very easy. I know you know it very well, but the idea behind it to write here, the idea behind to write it here is that I need to conclude some general equation by observing this. By observing this, I want to conclude some general equation which can be used while writing algorithm. We know this is the common way we use to find the algorithm or program. For example, if we need to find the element Cij of the matrix C, then we need to multiply the ith element of row ith row. We need to multiply the element of ith row with the element of jth column. Here we don't know the row, and we don't know the here we don't know the column, and here we don't know the row. Plus we need to multiply ith elements of okay. I repeat it, it's got a little messed up. I messed it up. Let me repeat it so that you understand it well. If we need to find the element Cij of matrix C, then we multiply the ith row with ith row of first matrix and the jth column of the second matrix. Ith row of the first matrix and jth column of the second matrix. Look, you must be wondering that why I written only AI when jabki to represent a element we need to write it like Aij, Aik. Why didn't I write something here? You must be wondering that. So to write here we just put to write here I will observe from here that what is this? This is 1 1 2 2 again 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2. That's so simple. We just need to write here 1 1 2 2, and we need not to write anything in this because there are only two elements. This is the matrix of 2 cross 2 cross 2. Thus we don't need this term, so we will erase this. If the matrix would be of 3 cross 3 or 2 cross 3, let me write 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2, then we might need 3 terms here, but currently we don't need it because the matrix is of 2 cross 2. Thus we let us delete this. Now we can form some more generalized form of this equation. How? Let me write Cij is equal to Aik or Bkj plus Aik plus 1. The k is increased by 1 and Bk plus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can write it also as Cij is equal to sum of these terms, that is summation of Aik Bk j, and this k will increase, that is k is equal to from 0 to n. First the k will be 1, then the k will be 2, and if there is third term then the k will be 3, and if the matrices are of fourth order then the k will be 4, and it keeps on increasing, the k keeps on increasing and the terms keeps increasing. So this is the required ideal equation, that is that is we need to form the algorithm.